Hi everyone, welcome to GRC Stock Market Analysis. Stock investment is one of the best way to grow your money. You can easily beat the inflation. There is a huge potential and it has an excellent compounding effect. If you start early, you can be financially free easily within 15 years. Let's see one interesting stock today. Any guesses? Yeah, let's see. Will the Coinbase do well in coming days? If you really see, Coinbase, most of you know, it is a cryptocurrency based agency, exchange platform, you can say. And it is almost like right across the world. And people from different countries do a lot of investments in cryptocurrencies. Some interesting thing about the cryptocurrency, when it got introduced, even I also felt the base is very shaky for cryptocurrencies because the origin is not known clearly, and the acceptance of the people is a big question mark. There is no literal backing by any government or any solid asset. It's all virtual. And even the great Warren Buffett, he mentioned that who can value the checkbook? Every bank is issuing the checkbook for helping the people to transfer the money from one person to the other person. The cryptocurrencies are like checkbooks. Ideally, it has a purpose like checkbook also. And very interestingly, over a period of time, it seems it gained a very good momentum, acceptance among the people, and it established one of the alternate investment opportunity. And I believe there are many early stage high risk investors, they would have got a very good benefit out of that. The Bitcoin is one of the best example. Let's see about this company. Actually, it started during 21 May something. You can check it again in the details Wikipedia. The sales is steadily growing well actually over the period of time, and the profit has come up very positive. Basically, negative results to the positive profit. The key ratios, normally all the key ratios are lagging indicators. They slowly come up, catch up once the sales and profit increases. That's the reason I mentioned that how things are happening in the business environment. First, there is a sales. There is a good sales, the profit bound to happen. Sometimes it may not happen if there is a mismanagement, but generally it will happen. Once the sales and profit are growing, naturally the key indicators will grow. It will also turn positive. That's the normal course of movement. Let's see the technical chart. Yeah, it's in May 21, I think. 22, May 21, or yeah. And it's almost 2 years plus, you can say. 21 May and 24 May, 3 years is already completed. It has not even touched the initial peak, the IPO price, we can say. Maybe it may not be IPO price, it may be some initial peak, you can say. Already it tried to break that initial peak, and there is a huge drop because of negative sentiments across the globe. Now we can say there are many countries accepted this, or many people, especially rich people, adopted this, and they think it is a alternate investment. Very interesting example I can say. Painting, there are certain painting they valued very, very, very high, unimaginable price. But for some people, they say that it's just a painting. It has no big value to me. But there are certain people, they value that painting really, really rich. and it goes into many millions. I think it has not touched any billion, at least many millions, many paintings uh, getting sold in millions, like that. Once the people accept, for that matter, we can even say the currency of every country is like that. The country is backing, that is fine, but there is a possibility the country can go bankrupt. That's the beauty of uh, any currencies of any countries also. So that matter, since the whole world accept this, I think this is going to stay. Even I changed my mindset of cryptocurrencies. You can selectively, but it is huge volatility. You cannot avoid it, and highly sentiment driven, because the whole thing is driven only based on sentiment, nothing else. You cannot touch, feel, see. Nothing is possible. It's like an invisible god kind of thing. Okay, created. Okay, it's overall chart is slope is really good, moving nice, and it has tested multiple times in the past 1 year. And if you really see, last 3 4 days after that U.S. election Trump win, it has jumped almost from around less than 200 to 280, nearly 25-30% jump. And there is another, once it crossed this resistance zone, it can easily touch around 350 levels. You can see the short term and long term target. Uh, you can say it's 310, again 350 is easily possible, the long term also possible within a couple of months. But I am a conservative investor and my calculations are a bit conservative. Those who wish to invest, definitely think about it and do your due diligence, and you can take some portion of this. You can check my other videos. It has already achieved short-term and long-term targets also. I have been posting these kind of videos for many months, more than a year now. And I do coaching people to be profitable. And those who are really wish to get some support, definitely be in touch with me. I saw recently one interesting note by an expert. He is a big winner, and he mentioned that everyone knows exercise, or at least walking is good and all those things. But do everyone in right shape and good health? It's a big question mark, because many times you need a catalyst and a constant support and driving mechanism to achieve your goal. The same role the coach play, and definitely help you to become profitable. Uh, Thank you. Signing off, Vaidyanathan.